Hey, what's up, everybody? I am back. Today is Thursday, and here in Southern California, it is hotter than Africa. I am melting. I'm sure a lot of you are suffering just as I am. This year, we're not going to have a county fair, and I'm really bummed out because I'm really going to miss out on purchasing trinkets I don't really need and overspending on beer, as well as purchasing food that's terrible for you but is so freaking delicious. Oh, I love the frog legs at the fair, one of my favorites. Every year I go and that's what I get. Also, the baked oysters are super yummy. The big brick of curly fries smothered with chili and cheese, oh, so good. And this year we're not gonna have that, unfortunately. It's pretty apparent, actually. The Krispy Kreme Burger is what they call it at the fair. I believe the proper term is the Luther Vandross Burger. And what it is a bacon cheeseburger, but instead of a traditional bun, you're using a Krispy Kreme donut. At the fair, they do it a little bit differently though. They use 2 whole donuts on either side of the middle. And there's this minor league ballpark in St. Louis, I forget the name. They use 1 donut, they slice it in half and use that as the bun, only they flip it, and you'll see what I mean. That's the version I'm going to be making. I freaking love this burger. It's probably my top favorite thing to eat at the fair. It's just really bad for you, obviously, but who cares? You only live once. So hopefully you guys get stoked on seeing me make it. You can try it, super easy, and tell me what you think. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Ma, no. ¿Qué estás haciendo? Today I'm going to be making Luther Vandross Burgers. If you guys don't know what that is, a Luther Vandross Burger is a bacon cheeseburger with a Krispy Kreme donut instead of a traditional bun. I'm going to start with bacon. Delicious bacon. That bacon looks fucking sexy as fuck, dude. Hell yes. Success. Gonna prepare the ground beef. I'm very simple. Lorries. It was like 2 pounds, so I'm gonna be pretty generous. Garlic powder or granulated garlic, whatever. And some onion powder. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the burgers. And of course, the donut, which we gotta cut in half. Careful, don't cut yourself, as I have very many times. Oh yeah. Here we go. time for cheese. And of course, some bacon. Wow, that's just amazing. Now we just wait for the cheese to melt and serve these bad boys. I think we're ready to plate one. So, start off with this bad boy, upside down, followed by this bad boy. Followed by this bad boy. Oh, that is just so fucking amazing looking. Let's plate one more. Ooh. My bad. Oh yeah. Come on guys, that's amazing. This came out incredible, guys. Oh, can't wait to indulge. Okay, let's take a bite.
Ah! Wow.
Oh my god.